Any timeline you make comes equipped with a presentation mode. Just open up one of your timelines and then locate the Tools menu at the top of your screen. Select Start Presentation to get started. You can click through your events in the small window, or you can make it larger. Here, you can click through your events at your own pace, or you can set the 20-second timer to let the clips play automatically. When you're all done with your presentation, just click out of each window and then select End Presentation at the top of the screen. If you ever want to switch up the order of your events in the presentation, you can do that in the Events list through the Tools drop-down menu. And now you're all ready to show off those amazing timelines.